Hello guys! Welcome to Perante Farms. This is Nora Perante, your plant propagator this time. If this is your first time to watch my video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for the next coming video, especially if you are interested in plant propagation. Okay? This time, I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to graft. A simple technique on how to graft bougainvilleas. If you want to create a fancy grove of bougainvillea, you can use grafting technique para magkaroon ng multiple colored flowers. Okay, so isa-isang sanga, ibang variety, ibang color para maging colorful siya, multicolored. And you can use grafting technique on to create. Okay? So, this is my first time to graft a bougainvillea. Okay, so I've tried it and okay naman, successful naman. Hindi siya mahirap, okay? At habang nagiging expert na kayo, di pwede na sa isang puno, marami na kayong ilalagay. But for me, ang ginawa ko, isa-isa lang muna, one at a time. Pag nabuhay na yung isa, lagyan ko na naman ng isa para hindi siya mahirapan. Okay? Para kung example ay may infection, hindi lahat ay ma-infekan. Okay? So, ganun ang ginagawa ko. Okay? So, this time, I'm going to show you on how to do it step by step. Okay? O, eto na yung mga tumubo na mga grafted na siya. Tumubo na sila at meron na naman akong bagong linagay. Okay? These are the simple steps on how to graft bougainvilleas. First thing to do is to choose a rootstock with some matured stem. Okay, that rootstock will be used as the one to be grafted with other stems of bougainvillea. Okay, and then select a healthy stem and then have to choose a scion. Okay, a scion is the cut stem of other variety of bougainvillea to be grafted. And then, you prepare the scion, cut matured stem of bougies. Okay. And prepare materials needed. You have to prepare new cutter para malinis at i-disinfect. And then a pair of scissors which will also be disinfected. And then, grafting tape, or kung walang grafting tape, pwede ang cellophane, yung ginagamit sa ice candy. And then, you need also a plastic bag with string and an alcohol to disinfect. Okay? Next thing to do is to select a stem from the rootstock and cut with pair of scissors. Okay? And then, get a scion that match the diameter of the rootstock of the stem. Okay? Then, slice the end of the scion in a slanting position to form a V-cut of about 1 centimeter long. Okay, like that, oh. Oh, and then, doon din sa kabila. Okay? Parang nagtatasa lang. Okay, okay. Like that, V. So, nag-form ng V. And then, slice a center. I-measure muna kung ano ang size nung nakat. Yun din ang size ng i-cut sa center ng rootstock. Okay? So, carefully slice at the center of about 1 centimeter also. And then, you insert the scion at the center cut of the stock. Like that. And then, carefully match and cut a grafting tape. Then, tie over the joint to cover it. Okay. So, kailangan tighten. Okay. para hindi mabasa. Okay, hindi mag-penetrate ang water para hindi siya magkaroon ng infection. Okay? So, just carefully tie the grafting tape. Okay, and then see to it na maayos ang pagkalagay niya, hindi siya mag-move. So, tighten, and then after that, you can lock. You lock the last ikot. Lock. Okay? Okay na. So, ganyan. And then, next thing to do is to get a plastic bag to cover the grafted stem to avoid moisture or to avoid na mabasa para hindi magkaroon ng molds or infection. Okay, and then tie with a string. Okay, or anything that can be used for tying. Okay. So, cover the whole joint with plastic bag, just enough to cover it. Okay, so, that's it. Okay, so, makita natin after, place under the shade until new leaves emerge. Okay, dun lang muna sa shade. Okay, and then, 2 weeks later, see, meron nang nag-emerge na, nag-activate na yung kanyang mga leaves. Okay. So, nag-sprout na siya. May konti na sa dulo. Meron nang lumabas na isa. Okay. And then, see to it na ibalik muna. Hindi muna tanggalin ha. Hindi muna tanggalin ang plastic. Okay. Okay, see guys. After 3 weeks, eto na. Meron na siyang mga leaves. Oh. Tingnan natin, pwede na rin sigurong tanggalin ang plastic cover. Okay, so you may remove the plastic cover when new leaves emerge. Okay, and then, pero hindi pa pwedeng i-remove ang grafting tape. Okay, doon sa kanyang joint para mag-mature pa at magkalos pa yun. Okay, so the grafting tape may be removed later when callus is produced from the joint. Okay? Para mas establish muna yung joint niya. Okay. So, makita natin guys. This is it. Okay guys, if you want to create a multiple flowers of your bougainvilleas, then you may try my simple steps in grafting. Okay? My upcoming video is all about propagation of bougainvilleas, mga bugis, yung mga kinatings from grafting, pwedeng hindi itapon yon. At ang ginawa ko ay binabad ko lamang sa tubig with certain solution. At nag-roots na siya doon. So, abangan po natin ang susunod ko na ibablog. Okay? So, makita may roots at hindi ito mas matipid ito kesa sa tusok-tusok. Okay? See you then! Goodbye!